Jai Hind. This is Indresh Rao from Psyche Word IAS. My institution is a specialized institution for psychology. Even we offer some other courses like GS Foundation and CSAT, some program for the mains and interview. These are my contact numbers. Our courses are available on Vishala platforms. You can use my institutional codes PSY 5548. Student, today we will discuss one of the interesting topic, that is motivation. So, what is motivation? This is a big and very curious topic for everyone. And nowadays, everyone want to enhance their motivation. So we will deal in technical and non-technical manner both. How motivation can be increased and what are the concepts related to motivations. So first of all, first thing we will understand what is motivation. So motivation means, note down this in your copy, motivation means energy of behavior. What is motivation? Motivation is basically energy of behavior. Even I will write on board, energy of behavior. Energy of behavior. Why I am saying that energy of behavior? If you want to do any behavior, you need energy. Without energy, no behavior is possible. Like I am teaching, it is a behavior. You are learning, it is a behavior. For teaching, I need motivation. I need energy. If you are learning, so you need to also motivation. You need to also energy. Without energy, it is not possible. I think some of students are Hindi medium, so I will use Hindi as well as. So motivation means abhiprerna. Abhiprerna means a kind of energy. और ये एनर्जी जिस किसी के अंदर है, he can perform, he can do anything. So that I hope you understand what is motivation. Motivation is basically energy of behavior. And before I move, I draw frameworks of this topic. I want to take some legendary example. One of my favorites, that is Arunima Sinha. Arunima Sinha. Arunima Sinha, she has basically thrown from the train by some antisocial elements. अरुणिमा सिन्हा को ट्रेन से फेंक दिया गया और उनके दोनों पैर कट गए. और अरुणिमा सिन्हा ने जब अपने आप को हॉस्पिटल से रिकवर करते हुए पाया और फिर बाद में आफ्टर द सर्टेन पीरियड ऑफ टाइम when she was fit, दोनों पैर के बिना भी उन्होंने वर्ल्ड के टॉप 7 माउंटेन क्लाइम किए. अदर एग्जाम्पल यू कैन टेक द स्टीफन हॉकिंस. स्टीफन हॉकिंस बेसिकली, इनके बारे में डॉक्टर ने 22 साल पहले जब वे 22 साल के थे तभी, व्हेन ही वाज इन एज ऑफ 22, डॉक्टर्स हैज बेसिकली डिक्लेयर्ड दैट he will live only 2 or 1 years. After that, he will die. बट स्टीफन हॉकिंस 76 ईयर में उनकी मौत होती है। जानते क्यों? ऐसे और यू कैन टेक द एग्जाम्पल ऑफ शिवाजी, यू कैन टेक द एग्जाम्पल ऑफ राणा प्रताप, यू कैन टेक द एग्जाम्पल ऑफ एनी ग्रेट पीपल, हाउ दे हैव अचीव देयर गोल्स, हाउ दे हैव क्रिएटेड देयर बिग नेम्स बाय द एनर्जी ऑफ बिहेवियर। सो सर, जीवन में दो तरह के सेल होते हैं। इन अवर लाइफ देयर आर टू टाइप ऑफ सेल, two type of cell. One is a biological cell, one is a biological cell, other is a psychological cell. In Hindi you have, I hope, heard मन के हारे हारे मन के जीते जीत. So the biggest cell of our life is psychological cell. स्टीफन हॉकिंस 22 साल में क्यों नहीं मरे? बिकॉज वो मन से नहीं हारे थे। अरुणिमा सिन्हा के पैर कटे हुए थे, फिर भी उन्होंने विश्व के 7 बड़े माउंटेन क्लाइंब किए, बिकॉज ऑफ उन्होंने मन से अपने आप को हैंडीकैप या दिव्यांग नहीं समझा था। सो सर, there is an important concept in psychology, that is motivation, and if we will understand the entire motivation, this will help you to understand your exam and help you to solve your papers. Instead of that, it will provide you certain goods energy for your life. और दूसरे को मोटिवेट भी तो कर सकते हो आप। So important. So what topics we cover in a motivation? Initially, I used to teach entire motivation by 3 words. First word is need. First word is need. So first word is need. So needs creates drive. Second word I used to teach, drive. And third word is goal or incentive, incentives. So if you will see carefully, suppose you will see carefully, तो अगर आप ध्यान से देखें, फर्स्ट टॉपिक दैट इज नीड्स। सो हम लोग डिटेल में नीड्स को समझेंगे। We will understand here in detail about what is needs, how many types of needs, and the psychologists who had worked in the needs topic. And second is drive. And third is goal or incentive. So need, drive, and goal. Need, drive, and goal. So here is first word, need. What is meaning of need? Need means whenever anything is less or scarcity or excess in our body, जब हमारे शरीर में, हमारे मन में किसी चीज की कमी हो जाती है या कोई चीज ज्यादा हो जाता है, तो वहीं से नीड प्रोड्यूस हो जाती है। So need means excess or scarcity of anything, that is needs. And here is basically 2 types of needs. One is biological needs, other is a psychological needs. So biological needs as well as psychological needs, there are the 2 types of needs. So biological needs, even we will classify more types of needs, like what did Henry Murray said about the needs, and next is that is a great man is Maslow, Glossal, Kano, all these psychologists have explained about the needs. तो हम needs को डिटेल में डिस्कस करेंगे, बट अभी सिंपल क्लासिफिकेशन मैंने बताया और मीनिंग बताई नीड। So needs are basically 2 types. biological needs and psychological needs. So there are the various biological needs, like first is hunger. Hunger is a biological needs. Thirst, sleep, as well as sex. These are our biological needs. And this need is common in everyone. Nobody can say that मुझे hunger नहीं लगता, भूख नहीं लगता. सबको भूख लगती है. So hunger is a biological needs. Thirst is a biological needs. Sleep is a biological needs. And there is a certain psychological needs also. Like achievement. Here is a achievements. Other is a power. Other is a approval. Everyone want to approve. He is a good or great. हर कोई अपने आप को अप्रूव करना चाहता है कि मैं कुछ हूं, मैं लोगों से श्रेष्ठ हूं. And there is aggression. Aggression is not bad things. Aggression is good thing. But while it must be utilized in a good direction. While we utilize in good direction, it is good. Other is affiliation. Affiliation is other psychological needs. So these are basically our needs. Biological needs and psychological needs. यही needs अलग अलग साइकोलॉजिस्ट ने अलग अलग तरह से एक्सप्लेन किया हुआ है. बेसिक नीड तो यही है. Means these needs are explained by the psychologist in a different way, in a different topic. अब मैंने बताया नीड्स क्या है, अब डिटेल में आगे हम पढ़ेंगे. बट अभी whenever needs become active, इमेजिन करो कि आपकी नीड्स एक्टिव हो गई. सपोज योर नीड बिकम्स एक्टिव. सो जब नीड एक्टिवेट हो गई, मीन्स वेन एवर योर हंगर बिकम एक्टिव. सो हंगर बिकम एक्टिव, दैट विल कन्वर्ट इनटू हंग्री. हंग्री मीन्स भूखा. वेन एवर आवर नीड्स बिकम एक्टिव, द पर्सन विल बिकम इनटू ड्राइव्स. दैट बिकम्स इनटू ड्राइव्स. तो नीड एक्टिवेट होने के बाद ही ड्राइव्स बनता है. एंड वेन एवर, सो अब ये नीड्स को पूरा करेगा, यानी अपनी ड्राइव्स, क्योंकि वो एनर्जेटिक है, अभी वो काम करना चाहता है, तो वो गोल तक पहुंचने की कोशिश करता है. सो व्हाट इज हिज गोल? गोल इज फूड. सो जब वो फूड पर पहुंच गया, सो मीन्स उसका गोल पूरा हो गया. सो हंगर इज अ नीड्स, and needs when active, it will convert into drives, and drives will basically influence a person to act certain behaviors, and due to that behaviors he will reach to the food. तो जब वो फूड पे पहुंच गया, गोल पूरा हो गया. राइट? तो ये 3 वर्ड्स में सारी बातें छुपी हुई हैं. नीड्स, गोल एंड ड्राइव्स. So when we understand this basic concept, we must to understand what topics we deals in the motivation. Now, here I will explain the topics which we will understand into the motivation. So, first of all, here I will make a basic diagram. Like first thing, while we want to understand motivation, first thing understand basic terms. बेसिक टर्म्स ऑफ मोटिवेशन. मोटिवेशन के आपको बेसिक टर्म की नॉलेज जरूर होना चाहिए. जैसे मैंने बोला, नीड्स, ड्राइव एंड गोल. बिकॉज इंटायर कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ मोटिवेशन आई विल एक्सप्लेन बाय यूजिंग ओनली 3 वर्ड्स: नीड्स, मोटिवेशन, और नीड्स, ड्राइव एंड गोल. आफ्टर अंडरस्टैंडिंग दिस, then we will understand here type of motivation. Types of motivation, intrinsic, extrinsic. So we have a different type of motivation we will deal in this topic. And after understanding the types of motivation, we need to understand theories of motivation. What? Theories of motivation. Theories of motivation. So we will understand here theories of motivation. And next topic, in the theory of motivation, even around 9 to 12 theories are there that we will deal. And the next thing, how to increase our motivation. Yeah, what are the factors affecting our motivations? First thing, factor affecting motivation. Factor affecting motivation. Factor affecting motivations. So what are the factors which affects our motivation? And there is one more topics, how to improve motivation. How to improve motivations. Motivations कैसे बढ़ाएं? How to improve motivation. So here we will understand how to improve motivation. Here is wrong. Motivation. And after this, there is a last topic, that is stress. So we will understand the topic, that is stress. One by one, all. So I hope here you have understand what we need to understand in the topic of motivation. Now, first of all, we will take the basic terms. So the basic terms, even I have explained, but I need to again introduce to them again. That is the needs. Needs. Second terms, drive. Drive. And third terms, goal. Right? And next terms, like here is a gratification. Gratification. Some more terms like arousal. Arousal. So all these terms we need to understand. As I told you, while you are going to prepare any exam, first of all, make a frame. Then define the keywords. And then, while defining the keywords, after that, you should take the previous year question paper. And then you should start to prepare your notes. After completing the notes, practice the all previous year papers. Getting? So it is important. Like here is a type of motivation. Type of motivation. One is a biological, other is a psychological. Other classification, intrinsic motivation, intrinsic and extrinsic motivation. Extrinsic motivation. You can also be classified inborn motivation or acquired motivations. Acquired motivations is here. acquired. So we have a different type of motivations classification. We will do one by one all. Elaborate करते जाओ. You should elaborate the topics one by one. All the topics will automatically comes. Right? So here is like theories. First theory. How we will deal theories? नीड के नीचे से भी बहुत सारी थ्योरी निकलती हैं, ड्राइव से भी बहुत सारी थ्योरी निकलती हैं. सो इट इज अ ड्राइव. सो ड्राइव से भी बहुत सारे गोल की जब हम करते हैं तो गोल से भी बहुत सारी थ्योरी निकलती है. गेटिंग? सो लाइक हियर इज फर्स्ट नीड के नीचे से कौन सी थ्योरी निकलती है? नीड हायरार्की थ्योरी. हायरार्की थ्योरी. हायरार्की थ्योरी. That is a need hierarchy theory. Other is instinct theory. Instinct theory. Other is ethological theory. Ethological theory. So there is a different theory comes from the different topics. Other is many theories come from drive. Drive means optimal arousal theory. Optimal arousal theory. Here is the optimal arousal theory. Other is the opponent process theory. Opponent process theory. सो इनिशियली आई वांट टू से कि जो टॉपिक्स हैं इन्हीं टॉपिक्स से ही 3 कीवर्ड्स का यूज करें और हर जगह से थ्योरी निकलती जाएगी. लाइक EGR थ्योरी. राइट? मेनी मोर थ्योरीज विल ऑटोमेटिकली कम फ्रॉम. अब ऐसे गोल में गोल सेटिंग थ्योरी. गोल सेटिंग थ्योरी इज देयर. सो गोल सेटिंग थ्योरी इज वन ऑफ द इंपॉर्टेंट थ्योरी दैट वी विल डील. Okay, I hope you understand these points.